welcome to Skill Toy Tactics. Today we're going to be learning the half bee sting, and it looks like this. Just like that. So basically this trick is only two parts. One, you're going to be throwing the counterweight down and making it go all the way around the yo-yo, and you're going to catch it in this hand again. And then while this counterweight's going around, you're going to, let me find my yo-yo real quick. You're going to, with this finger, you're going to roll the yo-yo over onto your middle finger and catch the string that's going around the bottom. So it's going to be like, we're going to throw this down, and at the same time we're going to roll the yo-yo over. So it's going to be like, we're going to ultimately land in an undermount. So it's kind of hard to describe, but we're going to be throwing the yo-yo over while the string is coming around, just like that. Does that make sense? So it's pretty straightforward. This is the most difficult trick for me. Well, it was for me the most difficult trick to learn in 5A, and still has literally been the most difficult trick that I have learned. It took it took me about a month before I could get the rhythm down really well, so totally take your time with this. But I've got a couple tips for you. So the first thing is to make sure that, like I said in the 360 video, that this is there's a plane, it's an arc with the yo-yo in the center. So imagine it just rotating around the yo-yo. String proportions are the exact same as in 360. You want it to be about you want this loop coming off the yo-yo to be about 1/3 of the total string length. That makes it infinitely easier. In fact, that's a necessity. And then you want to also get the timing right when you flip the yo-yo over. So we're going to be throwing the counterweight this way towards our opposite side, flipping the yo-yo towards the opposite side. Your opposite hand side is what I mean. So we're going to throw the counterweight down and roll the yo-yo right onto it. Now I am doing an extra twirl there. That twirl is not necessarily part of the trick technically. What really the trick is going to be, you're just going to get into that undermount. And then if you want, you could practice just rolling it right back into a front mount. But that's literally what we're just going to be doing, is going right into an undermount just like that. You're going to throw the counterweight down. You're going to roll the yo-yo like this. And so if you'll see, I'll roll the yo-yo prematurely. So we're going to see the yo-yo rolled over, and then the counterweight is coming and swinging and coming and hitting, whoops, I missed it, hitting the bottom of the yo-yo, and it's going to land in your hand, and you're going to be an undermount. So you're going to time that just right. In fact, the timing, I ran out of spin. I'll tell you the exact timing. So really what it is you want to roll the yo-yo the exact same time that you let go of the counterweight. So I'm going to let go of the counterweight and at the same time roll, just like that. So you don't want to roll and then do the counterweight, I guess technically at the exact same time, but you want it to be pretty close. You want to, right when you let go of the counterweight, you want to roll the yo-yo over just like that. And you'll get used to the motion where you'll be able to do it over and over again, and it won't even be a problem. So that is half BeeSting. I hope that those tips helped you out. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in lesson 6, where we're going to be doing a full BeeSting. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in that video.